Hello, welcome back to my channel. So tonight I'm going to be doing another, well, it's nighttime, or daytime, whatever time you're going to be watching this. I'm going to be doing another eyebrow video because I'm obsessed with trying to get my eyebrows to look how I want them. And clearly I haven't been able to because I'm still doing stuff with them. Anyways, what I'm going to be doing is I am going to be filling in my eyebrows with a self-tanner to see if that will work. So, I'm just going to shake up my self-tanner. This is the one I'm going to be using, the Violet Rosa Self-Tanning Lotion Hawaiian Bronze. I'm just going to, this is a spray kind, but I'm just going to spray like one spray in the lid, and then I have this tiny brush that I'm going to draw my eyebrows on with in a mirror. I'm probably going to do it a couple of times because I want it to be like the ultimate darkness, and self-tanner is like brown. Should I put like a powder in it to make it more powdery? Maybe. Yes, that's what we're gonna do. Now that I already have a glob on my face, I want to mix in the self-tanner with a powder because I think it'll be more easier to work with. So I'm just gonna use the lighter side of this palette because I literally never use it. Okay, let's try this, see if it's thick enough. Whoa! I want like streakies, not a big blob. But I might just get a blob. I can make my eyebrows a little bit thicker underneath. Because we want that thick. And this is not even close to being that thick. Okay, I'm going to let that dry. And do another coat. Sorry about the lighting. I literally have nothing to give me light. Even if it gave me just a little bit of tint, just a little, that would help. Okay, I'm gonna let these dry and do multiple layers. I'm recording something.
I'm eating something.
That's good for you. Okay, I ended up doing 3 coats. Now I'm gonna let this dry and sit overnight, and I'll come back in the morning and take it off and reveal if it did anything or if I look like a crazy person. Okay, good night. See you in the morning. Good morning. My day has started off lovely. I spilled a coffee this size, the size of my head, all over the floor. Wasted the perfectly good iced coffee. Oh well. Anyways, let's get to the brows. It's been about a jillion hours, pretty much. So let's wipe these off. I've had these on for 16 hours, so I'm just gonna use cleansing water to wipe them off and Q-tips. And hopefully there's something left when I do that. They're definitely sisters and not twins. So much is coming off. I'm gonna get a paper towel. So this is what they look like. Kind of what I expected, honestly, but not really what I want. It'd be like a good base for like putting an eyebrow gel over top. Not bad. So this is what just the self-tanner on my brows look like. I'm gonna put on some brow gel product over top and see how that looks, even though that's pretty much defeating the purpose of this video. Let's see how they look with my bangs down. Honestly, not that bad. Like, I would go to the store. I would go somewhere with just this on. It's not exactly what I want, but not bad. Would I do it again? Maybe. Was it what I was looking for? Not really. So I'd give it a 4 out of 10. Maybe 5. Okay, this is the product I'm going to be putting on top. Can you even read that? Tattoo Studio Brow Gel. And I'm just going to use a throwaway spoolie because I don't like the tip of this. This is what it looks like. Looks like a lip gloss. It's raining, if you can hear that. And who put lip gloss on their eyebrows? Like, seriously. No one. I'm just coating my hairs that are in the front that are growing in that you can't really see. So this is what they look like with both products. Honestly, I'm not mad about this. I actually really like the combination. It's a lot easier. It's a lot easier to put this on over top of the self-tanner eyebrow. I like it. The combination. Anyways. Yeah. Honestly, I guess I would do it again then because I like it with this. But then that means I have to still have to use eyebrow product. But better than nothing. I like the combo. Self-tanner by itself, as I said, 4 out of 10. 4 or 5. 4.5. Self-tanner with Tattoo Studio Maybelline Brow Gel in the tint Soft Brown. I would give it a 8 or 9 out of 10. Okay, that's it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed it and it helped you to decide if you want to use self-tanner on your eyebrows. It helped me decide, and the answer is yes, with this. Or probably any brow gel. This just happens to be the one I like and have. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Bye. Pew, pew. Eyebrow out. I put mascara on. I already said this, but I like it. I really, really like my brows. They look good. They look nice. They look fuller. They look beautiful. Can you focus this close on my beautiful face? Nope. Beautiful. Okay. That's all I wanted to say. I already said I liked it, but I do like it. I like the combo. Good combo. Okay, bye. One more thing I forgot to say. If you do this, I did like mixing the self-tanner with the powder, but don't make it like super pasty. Make it like just a tiny bit pasty, because the super pasty one was a little bit too hard to apply, but the straight up self-tanner was too liquidy. But tiny bit of paste or tiny bit of powder with the self-tanner was perfect. Stop looking at my roots. So that's all I had to say. Also, what? So that's just, I don't know what I'm saying. And that's just something I forgot to say that I wanted to say. Okay. Goodbye again.
And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to